I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Action Keap. Give here the client ID and the client's secret. To make this integration you should need Keap CRM and Keap developer accounts both. So please visit the Keap client ID and the client's secret. This is my Keap developer site. New app. Give here a meaningful integration app name. Enable. Save. Show secret. Copy the secret key and API key. And paste it here. Authorize it. Give access to your Keap CRM account and allow it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to the Keap CRM site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Keap CRM site. Thanks for watching.